Hi, I'm Steve Santoro with Lutron Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to install a Lutron Sunnata touch dimmer in a three-way application with the mechanical switch. This dimmer has two black wires, one blue and one green, and while this is a Sunnata touch dimmer, it will work for any other Lutron dimmer with the same wire color configuration. First, begin by turning off the power at the circuit breaker. Be sure to test your switch to make sure the light does not come on. Once you've confirmed that the power is off, you can begin to remove this existing switch from the wall. Start by removing the faceplate. And then remove the existing device. Now that the wall plate is off, remove the switch from the wall and take a look at how your wires are connected to your switch. In this application, we have two black wires and one red wire. Locate the different colored screw. In this application, it's a black screw. And take a piece of electrical tape and tag the wire connected to that screw. You can now remove all of the wires from the existing switch. Now that the switch is removed, we can begin to wire your Sunnata dimmer. We start with the ground wire, connecting it to the copper from your box. Next, take the black tagged wire and tie that to one of the black wires on your new dimmer. It will not matter which black wire on the dimmer you choose. You are left with the black and red wire in your wall. Choose a wire that is a different color and one that you think you can identify in your other location. This will be important when you rewire your other switch. In this application, we're going to choose the red wire and we're going to tie that to the blue wire on our dimmer. Connect the remaining wire from your wall to the remaining black wire on your dimmer. Now that your Sunnata dimmer is wired in, put all of the wires back in the box and screw the dimmer to the wall. Once your dimmer is screwed in your wall, you can install your Lutron screwless wall plate, sold separately. Before you turn the power back on, we now have to go to the other switch in the three-way and do a slight rewire of that switch as well. Pull your switch from your wall and take a look at how the wires are connected. You'll notice one of the screws is a different color. In this case, it's our black screw. Take a piece of electrical tape and tag the wire connected to that different colored screw. Next, identify the color wire that you tied to the blue wire on your Sunnata dimmer. In this case, if you remember, we used the red wire. Leave that one connected and remove the other two wires from the switch. Take the two wires you disconnected and the yellow jumper wire that came in the package and place them all under a single wire nut. Take the other end of your yellow jumper wire and tie it around the different colored screw. In this case, it was our black screw. Place the wires back in your wall and screw the switch back into your box. Place the wall plate back on the switch. And now you've successfully rewired your mechanical switch to work with your Sunnata dimmer. Now that your Sunnata dimmer is installed, you can return power to your switch back at the circuit breaker. Now that your power is back on, you could turn the dimmer on and off or adjust the light level with the touch bar. I hope this video was helpful and made an easy installation even simpler. Be sure to check out lutron.com/wiringwizard for more videos and helpful tricks for other installations.